Hello, this is Maths with Uncle Tony, and you're welcome. We have a question on the board as a past common entrance question. In case your child is trying to write common entrance exam or entrance exam to any school, this video is for him or her. It's very, very important you subscribe to this channel or follow my Facebook page or TikTok, any social media you belong to, for more videos. If not, you may not come across this video again. So let's solve this question because it's very important. It's a very tricky question that a child needs to understand. A tank which is 5/8 full contains 50 liters. Contains what? 50 liters of fuel. So which means a tank, let's just imagine that this is a tank. A tank, maybe that has an opening, contains 50 liters, that is 5/8 full. Let's just imagine that this is the 5/8, the fraction of it. 5/8, because it's not completely full, contains 50 liters. That's what the question is saying. So this tank that is 5/8 full contains 50 liters of fuel. How many liters will it hold when full? They are asking of the total quantity of the liters the tank will hold. Now, when you're dealing with, you're being given a question that has to do with fraction and a whole number. If you observe, 5/8 is a fraction form of 50 liters. This is the fraction of the quantity of the fuel inside the tank, and the quantity is 50. So they are asking us the whole number of the fuel when it is filled. Now, how do you relate fraction with a whole number? The question says 5/8 full of fuel is 50. So we say 5/8 of the total quantity now is what? 1/1. When something is full, is 1/1. So let's represent it as x because we don't know the quantity. 5/8 of x. X is the total quantity of fuel that the tank is supposed to hold. But this 5/8 is equals to 50 liters. That's how to interpret the question. The fraction is equals to this, but of is the total value, the total whole number, or the total fuel the tank is supposed to hold. Now, you know of is multiplication. 5/8 multiplied by x is equals to 50. 5 times x is equals to 5x over 8 is equals to 50/1. Let's cross multiply, because if you see a fraction separated by equals to with another fraction, we cross multiply. So here we multiply this, here we multiply this. Start with one that has the alphabet. 5x times 1 is still 5x. So we have 5x is equals to 8 multiplied by 5. Now if you look at there's 5 here, and there's a number that can be divided by 5. I don't need to multiply this number so that the number will not be big for a child to divide. So since there's a number that can be divided by this 5, I'd rather leave it like this. So divide both sides by 5. Divide here by 5. Divide here by 5. 5 will cancel this 5. I'm left with x. So for easy division, 5 here 1. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 0 is 0. We are left with 8 here multiplied by 10. X is equals to 8 times 10, it is 80. So therefore the tank will hold 80 liters. The tank can hold 80 liters of fuel. That's our answer for this question. Please subscribe, and God bless us all. Bye-bye.